In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the Alibaba app. Changing the language on your app can make navigating and using it much more comfortable, especially if English isn't your first language. Let's get started. First, open the Alibaba app on your device. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once it's open, take a moment to ensure that everything has loaded properly. This initial setup is crucial because starting with a fully loaded app helps avoid glitches or errors later on. Next, look for the My Alibaba or Account section. This is typically found at the bottom of your screen. Tapping this will take you to a new page with various options related to your account. Here, you can manage your profile, view orders, and much more. It's essentially your hub for personal settings. Once you are in the Account section, tap on Settings. You'll recognize it by the familiar little gear icon. This is the control center for all your app preferences. Accessing settings allows you to customize the app to fit your needs better. From here, you can perform various tweaks, but today we're focusing on language. Now, locate and tap on Language. This is where you can choose the language in which you prefer to view the app. Selecting the right language is important because it ensures you understand the content and instructions accurately. This can greatly enhance your user experience by making it more intuitive. After you've tapped Language, you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the options and select your preferred language. Whether you prefer Spanish, French, Mandarin, or any other option, choose what suits you best. This selection is crucial because it personalizes your app experience and can make communication within the app much clearer. With your preferred language selected, tap Confirm or Save. This action finalizes your choice and ensures that your language preference is applied. Seeing a confirmation appear is a good sign that your selection has been registered. This little step is significant as it locks in your changes, making sure they take effect. At this point, you may need to restart the app. Not always, but sometimes a restart is necessary. It ensures that all the changes you've made are fully implemented. If you notice the language hasn't changed immediately, closing and reopening the app should resolve this. Restarting is a simple but effective troubleshooting step, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on the Alibaba app. This adjustment can be incredibly helpful, making the app more user-friendly and easier to navigate. Remember, this small change can make a big difference in how you interact with Alibaba. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.